tutorial starts with a song, but it's only a few seconds long.
Computer animation. Computer animation. Computer animation.
Let's get started with animation. Hello friends, today I'll show you something simple and effective. This is a ramp. And if you know how I did this, just skip this tutorial and move on in your own life. But if you don't, well, stay with me. This will last only a couple of minutes. We create this disk. It has the default Lambert shader, and we create a new material now just for the purpose that we don't meddle with the original one. So here we have the Blinn, here's the Lambert, so this is basically the same as before. And a typical way to use a ramp now is by going to this icon here next to the color and creating a ramp, which is down here. You currently don't see it, although it actually is active. It goes from black to white because you need to click, I think, the key 6, which is this icon here. And now you see the ramp working here. When you move the black further in, the black moves into the disk. And the same for the white. And you can create other colors here in the middle. For example, this pink, and then move the black here. And that's how you usually use a ramp. We have the V ramp, which is this direction here. We have the U ramp, which is this direction here. And we have a diagonal ramp, and we have a radial ramp. That's what I wanted to show you, and that's what you saw at the very beginning. Now, if you want to rotate this, let's deactivate the grid. If you want to rotate it, you need to go to the Place 2D Texture node here. This has to do with the coverage, how this ramp is mapped onto that disk. And for example, you have Rotate UV. That's something you could use with this disk. And you have Rotate Frame. It's basically the same in this context. And when you type in a function here like equals frame, which is basically telling it to rotate 25 degrees per second, then you get this nice animation. It looks like a bump map. It looks like as if there was a break here in the topology, but there isn't. It's just a cool little shader. And with this, I'll leave you alone. Bye-bye.